partner
Hi
today.
Megha.
How are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. So, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good actually. So I had off for Saturday Sunday.
Hmm.
So I took extra nap in noon.
That's very good. Even I'm looking forward to do the same today afternoon, a little nap. So, what do you work? What is your profession, Praveen?
I'm in media actually.
Okay, that's interesting. So, you get to meet a lot of people. You get to interact with different
No,
people, is
no,
it?
no. I don't go in a field actually. So
Okay.
I I my job in backend type. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the programming department.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so
Yeah.
you're a
So what
coder.
do you do?
So,
Not in scheduling department. Yes.
mhm,
So what do you do?
okay. I am finishing my diploma in IELTS training. I want to become an IELTS trainer. I have been
Okay.
coaching people for spoken English and grammar from the last 1.5 to 2 years. And I'm
Okay.
also an IT employee. I've been working for 4 years now as an automation tester.
Oh,
So
good.
juggling couple of things.
Great, great. So you worked on
Yeah.
a Selenium or what?
Yes, I have worked on UFT, I have worked on Selenium, and there is another automation tool. It's called Eggplant Functional. So I've also
Okay,
worked on that as well. So,
right.
so
Great,
yeah,
great,
pretty much many things.
great. So
So yeah,
how you came to this platform?
Clappingo. So
Yes,
Clappingo, I
ma'am.
have joined pretty recently. It's been almost 2 months now for me here. I came
Okay.
across a YouTube channel that was
Okay.
speaking about Clappingo. And I thought,
Right.
okay, it sounds like an interesting platform. So I had to make a demo video like about myself
Yes,
and
yes.
do a correction video as well. So I prepared those videos and I sent it in, and thankfully I got a call
You
back.
got selected. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Yes, so that's how I got to know about it. So what about you? How did you come to hear of Clappingo?
Actually, I have been working to my communication skills to
Mm-hmm.
improve that.
Mm-hmm.
So I was watching some videos,
Okay.
and then a YouTube ad pop up.
Mm-hmm.
So they suggested if you want to improve your communication skills, the best
Yeah.
way is one-to-one speaking actually.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So,
Yeah.
so that's why I decided to join that.
That's good. So how has your experience been so far? You see positive changes in yourself while you're
Yes,
communicating?
yes, it's a good thing actually. So
Mm-hmm.
the best thing is whenever I do mistakes, yeah,
Yes.
mistakes, did mistakes.
Uh-huh.
So tutor rectify at the same time. So
Mm-hmm.
next time I'll keep in mind to don't do that.
Yes, yes, perfect. So that's good, right? To have someone correct you for your
Right,
small,
right.
small mistakes. Yeah. That's one. That's great. Praveen, today we have a very interesting topic actually when I went through the document. So tell me, are
Okay.
you a risk taker? Do you like taking risks?
Yes. Because I think without
Mm-hmm.
taking risk, we can't get success in a short time.
Mm-hmm.
So if you will play safe, so maybe you will get success, but it will take a long time actually.
Yeah, that's true. So risk is like we take a plunge in a short span of
Yes.
time, we can achieve a great amount of success.
Right. Right.
But um, there are, can you state a few advantages of taking a risk? First one you mentioned, like success, we can reach it faster. Apart from this,
Right.
do you think there are any benefits of being a risk taker?
I think maybe there is a chance that you will not get success.
Hmm.
Then that time you will learn something new actually.
Yeah.
So if I give my real example that happened with
Hmm.
me, so that time I had been working with the Z Network.
Okay.
My package was very low that time.
Okay. Hmm.
So I got an opportunity with a new channel.
Hmm.
That time he recently launched that time.
Okay.
So I decided to join that channel, but my boss
Hmm.
suggested me, Praveen, please don't do that.
Hmm.
So it's a new channel. Maybe it would be closed in a few months or few years. So
Yeah.
don't go there. But I was getting a
Uh-huh.
decent hike, so I
Hmm.
decided maybe sir it is a risk for me, but
Hmm.
I will do that. So
Yeah.
that time I joined that. I got
Hmm.
a great hike, and my my team.
That's
So
amazing, right? That's
so
good.
I joined
Yeah.
that.
Uh-huh.
But the unfortunately the channel got shut after 9 months.
Okay.
But before 9 months, I got a new opportunity and joined some
Hmm.
other new good organization.
Different network.
So
So,
so if I didn't take the risk that time, maybe my
uh-huh.
package would be very low.
Yeah, absolutely. If you were in the same place, then probably that hike you would have missed out on that hike, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So
So that's one
that
thing.
in that way I can say we should take risk sometimes.
Yes, absolutely. So it always pays off. If everything is in our favor, it will definitely pay off, right?
Right.
So,
Right.
but there are certain downsides also to taking a risk, right? Because risk is a profit or loss situation. Either you win at it or you lose. So,
Right.
what do you think are some of the disadvantages of taking a risk? What are the things that could go wrong?
Maybe we should keep in so many things when you are going to take risk.
Hmm.
Like if I am a sole bread earner to my family, and
Yes.
that time I should keep in mind that should I take this risk or not,
Hmm.
because that would be the great risk for my family.
Hmm. Yes.
So, so that is the reason we should.
That could go wrong, like especially if you have a lot of responsibilities and if you're
Right.
taking a risk,
Right.
it could have a negative impact on the family as well, right? So
Right.
true, that
Right.
is
Right.
true. I agree. And would you you took a risk and it paid off for you. So if you had a junior who is also in a similar situation, okay, and they're also planning to make that plunge just like you did, would you encourage them
Right.
to do the same, or would you tell them to take their own call on it, or how would you motivate them? What would you suggest to them?
Maybe if he has not a responsibility for their family, and he is
Mm-hmm.
just started his career, and he is in the starting of that
Mm-hmm.
career, so maybe
Yes.
I can
Mm-hmm.
say him that you can
Mm-hmm.
go ahead and
Mm-hmm.
take a risk. But
Mm-hmm.
if he is a uh, I can say a senior guy, or he has lots
Mm-hmm.
of burden of his family,
Yeah,
that time I can suggest him maybe that you can you should not go
take
ahead for
that.
that risk
Hmm.
and take that.
Yes. And family is one very important factor. As you mentioned, before taking a risk, we
Right.
have to evaluate our family situation, right? It's very important.
Right.
So, apart from this, are there any factors that a person should keep in mind before taking a risk, apart from the family angle?
So can you suggest something? So
You said family is one important factor, right?
right.
My personal experience, I have come across a lot of people who cannot deal with a lot of stress. Okay, so
Right.
when they are in the first company, they know almost the in and out of the business, right? So they don't feel that kind of pressure. But when they go to a different organization, the work demands a lot from them, and they're not able to cope up with it.
Right.
So I think that is also one more factor, whether you're able to handle that kind of stress or not.
Yeah.
So that could
Can
be
you
one
handle
more factor.
that type of pressure or not? Yes.
Yes, yes. So that is one more factor which I feel plays a very important role, especially in this pandemic situation. We are all in our homes, right? We don't have the opportunity to go out and do any activity, nothing. So we are always either
Right.
working
Right.
or doing nothing. So that's one more thing I feel.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. So Praveen, tell me, who's your role model in life? Who do you look up to, whether it's a celebrity or in your own family? Is there anyone that you?
So actually, I don't follow celebrities,
Mhm.
but I follow some
Mhm.
spiritual guru and my brother. So
Mhm.
my brother is in army. He's a major. So he's
That's
my role
amazing.
model.
Mhm.
He worked very hard.
Mhm.
He had suffered lots of problems, and
Mhm.
despite of these, he's in army and doing a very good job.
Okay. So
So
you're,
and if,
huh?
and on the other one is I have been following. Maybe you know him, Guru Gaur Gopal Das. He's a spiritual guru, and
Yes, yes.
so I have been following him since long time.
Mm-hmm. That
Yeah,
is good. Even I have watched many of his motivational
videos.
videos. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. Even I follow his videos. It's very inspiring.
he
Uh,
speaks at for any issue actually. It may
mm,
be for your office work, office related. It may be for your
yeah.
family related.
Hmm.
Speaks on every topic actually.
Yes. Even I had watched one on how to improve your personality. He had given a very good example of how a marble statue is made. It has to go
Right,
through a
right,
lot
right.
of
I also watched that.
pain, right? Yeah.
If
So
you've
I
gone
think
through
yeah, we
lots
both
of
have that one.
pain, yeah.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you broken at a first step of your
Uh-huh.
pain, then you couldn't be
Hmm.
a great.
Yeah. So even I had seen that same video. I thought it was very inspiring. The best thing about him is whatever he preaches, he gives a good example to show it, right? So even we feel like, okay,
Right.
it is possible. So yeah,
Yes.
same here. Even I follow him. So okay, yeah, Praveen, your vocabulary is very good. I've been the way you use the words, right? He's inspiring, or the person could be the sole breadwinner. Your vocabulary is extremely good. So kudos for that. I would like to point out. First is your tenses. Like when you were speaking about clapping go, how did you come across? You said the ad pop up in my phone or somewhere. So it is ad popped up, right? It had popped up previously. So it
Yeah.
is one thing, one thing.
Yes.
And when you were speaking about risks, you said there are chance that things will go wrong or some things might go wrong. It's actually there are chances because many things can go wrong, right? So
Okay.
either it is there is a chance or there are chances. If you're using R is for plurals, right? So there are chances, and if you're using the word chance, it should be is. There is a chance. So is for singular, R is for plurals. Uh,
Right. Right.
so that is one thing. I think, yeah, okay. And apart from that, you mentioned a very good example of how you took a risk also. So in that, even if I didn't take the risk, it is if I hadn't taken that risk. You're speaking again of the past tense. So if
Past.
I had
Yeah.
not taken that risk, okay. So that is one thing.
I
So
wouldn't
these
be
are
at
the
this
only
position.
things. You just have to
So
work on your tenses.
so how
Correct.
can I frame
Perfect.
that?
Yeah.
The sentence would be framed like, if I hadn't take a risk that time, I wouldn't be at this position.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't
Perfect.
have
If I
at this
hadn't
position.
taken the risk that time, I wouldn't be in this position. Your future tense is correct, whatever you mentioned. I wouldn't be in
Okay.
this position. Past would be if I had not taken that risk.
Taken this.
Take
Right.
and taken. Take is for
Right.
current
Right.
and taken. If I hadn't taken that risk, I wouldn't be in this position. So, like that.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, that's it. So these are very few mistakes. You're doing a very good job. Your fluency is also good. You use couple of sometimes like that sound comes when you speak, like it's a filler, right? So try
Right.
avoiding that. That's very minor. It happens very rarely. It happens normally in the beginning of when you're beginning a sentence. So if you wish, you can take that 1 or 2 seconds pause if you want to gather your thoughts, and then you can speak. So that
Sure.
is one thing. That's it. Very minor mistakes. Just work on your past tenses and that usage of the filler. That's it.
Right.
Um,
Right. I'll do
yeah,
that.
yeah. And your vocabulary is very good. You used like breadwinner, inspiring, taking when you were explaining the example of your risk. Also, the words that you used were also proper. So that's very good. These are the only things I would like to point out.
Okay. So, Megha, could I
Mhm.
know something about you? Uh,
Yeah,
what did
sure.
you do, and how you came to in
Mhm.
testing field actually?
My testing experience, see, I was a college, I got placed on campus. Okay. So
Okay.
the company came on campus, they recruited us, and we were given a 2 month training before joining the project. We
Okay.
were given a 2 month training by the company itself. It was
Okay.
on UFT and Selenium. And there was obviously the soft skills training, you're aware, right? Any company you join, they give you that soft skills training and all. So that's one thing.
Right.
So that is how then I was onboarded on a project, and initially it was manual, but slowly we started automating our framework, entire test cases, everything. So
Right.
initially it was UFT, then we moved to Selenium, and as you know, Selenium is only for web applications, like whatever we can browse,
So
use on
most
a
of the
browser.
tester is moving towards Salesforce. So is it right?
So many of my friends, in fact, have moved to Salesforce. I don't know that much about Salesforce, but two or three of my friends in the last month, they took Salesforce training. I think you have to complete some certification on their own website.
Yes,
So
yes,
they're
yes.
saying that it's a very good opportunity now. Many people are looking for Salesforce testing only.
Right.
I'm not aware, but I've seen a couple of my friends do it, and they're earning quite good. They got quite a good hike out of it.
Yes, actually, I was asking one of my friends.
Mm-hmm.
So I told him that I want to switch my profile and I want to join in a testing field. So he
Okay.
suggested me, please don't come in this field actually.
Mm.
So the new boom is about to come in a Salesforce. So if you want
Yes,
to,
he's correct. He's absolutely correct. So that's one thing. Testing, it sounds easy, but it's not actually, Praveen. Especially if you're put into manual testing, people feel it is easy, but it's not. You have to
right, right,
depend on everyone for even every small detail. I suggest you go either for automation or for Salesforce,
right,
particularly.
right.
Any one of the two.
So you taking these classes along with testing profile as well, or
Weekends, Capingo sessions I normally prefer to take on weekends so I can give my entire time to it. During my work
okay,
days, I
okay,
don't take these sessions. Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. So you
I am available on Saturday, Sunday. If ever I'm on leave on a weekday, I put it on a weekday also. But
okay,
predominantly, I
okay.
do it on weekends. So